In today's video, I'll show you how to create a festive opening where snow-like elements pop onto the screen and reveal your video with a cheerful holiday feel. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the very beginning of the timeline. This effect works best as an intro, so the festive motion feels natural. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find XMS Snow Pop, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, snow particles pop and spread across the screen, revealing the video underneath in a joyful and seasonal way. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how energetic the snow pops feel. Shorter duration makes the reveal lively and playful. Longer duration slows it down, creating a softer holiday mood. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so it matches your festive music or greeting. And that's it. You've successfully added a Christmas snow pop reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut mobile animation tutorials.